Today, I want to share how you can set up multiple streams of income from using free images and image-based content. And this is a great way to get more passive type income streams up and running once you've actually put this together. One of the ways you can do that is you can actually set up and sell digital image templates. And this is a really great marketplace where people are buying a lot of different types of templates that they can download and use. And one of the best places to sell these is on Etsy. There's a really big market there for digital products and for templates. So some of the types of templates you can create are things like resume templates, flyer templates, banners and graphic templates, blog templates for images, cover art, social media covers, things along those lines. So what you can actually do is you can create your templates, and you can use tools like Canva or other types of templates, and then you can upload those to your store. Now, if you are using Canva, you want to make sure you have the setup where you're using resources that you can actually resell. That's not difficult with Canva, but you just want to make sure that you can resell what you're making. Then you do some research on what other similar stores are using, and you can use those for your tags and descriptions for your store. And a lot of these templates can sell anywhere from $5 to $20 for generic ones, and you could do custom ones for even higher. So here's an example of some logo templates. Sashi's Design Studio on Etsy offers logo designs. She has 2,000 plus orders. And so she puts together these designs using just templates. And you could also offer things like cards, brochures, and other items. So there's lots of buyers out there who are looking for that type of product because they don't necessarily want to work with a graphic designer and have to spend a lot of money on a one-off type product. So if they can get a template, it's a lot easier. And what's great about this is you can just do some research on Etsy and just see what people are actually buying, and then use a graphic design tool like Canva to put that together. So if you'd like to learn more about how you can set up income streams with images, you might want to check out my Easy Image Income, where I go into a number of different income streams that you can use to quickly and easily set up income streams with images, and you don't have to get things like Photoshop or anything like that. These are types of things anybody can set up. So this is a great training, and it comes with lots of ideas and tips for getting these types of income streams started.